Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying when and how the drift appears. Note distance, lighting, and fatigue. Once done, choose an eye patch schedule. Start with 1-2 hours daily to force the drifting eye to work. Do short near focus drills now. Hold a small target at arm's length and slowly bring it in while tracking. Make sure to perform these drills 10-15 minutes per session, 2-3 times daily, because repetition retrains motor control and builds visual attention. You now move into coordinated strengthening to improve alignment. Begin prism trials or prescribed prism glasses if recommended. They reduce double images and ease fusion so muscles can retrain. Then add saccade and smooth pursuit drills, rapid target jumps and slow tracking for 5-10 minutes, 3 times daily to refine control. Once comfortable, introduce convergence work like pencil push-ups for 15-20 reps. This builds the medial rectus function and helps both eyes lock onto a shared point, improving stability over time. You finish by consolidating gains and planning follow-up care. Maintain exercises and patching as progress continues, and schedule a check with your eye specialist weekly or as advised to track alignment. If the drift persists despite therapy, discuss escalation. Extended occlusion, targeted botulinum toxin injections, or surgical realignment are options to correct muscle imbalance. If things go wrong, sudden double vision or pain, stop exercises and seek immediate evaluation so the correct intervention can be started promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.